Hey everybody, John Murphy, CSSI. Hope you're doing well. I want to take a minute and talk for just a second here about green zip tape, especially for commercial developers building multifamily hospitality, hospitals, student housing, mixed use, etc. Big projects. If you use this product called green zip tape, you're going to see roughly about 5 to 10% of your construction costs. You'll get back as part of a tax deduction on a 5-year class life. So it'll move from 27.5 years to 39 years. Essentially what happens is when you use the green zip tape product, what the IRS has said is that by using the product, it can be cut and removed from the sheetrock, and the panels can be removed, creating basically a movable panel system, which is considered 5-year class life. So everything that touches the green zip tape, the studs in the walls, the electrical, the plumbing, the cable that runs through the walls. If you're in medical buildings, there's other components that go into those walls, the paint that's on the wall. All of that gets reclassified as 5-year class life instead of 27.5 year or 39 year. And that could be a significant number. You know, as I go to different conferences, hear the struggles that developers have. Just even a few percentage points can make a big difference to them, whether a project succeeds or fails, or maybe just doesn't even get off the ground. And here we're talking about you can get 5 to 10% of your construction costs can come back to you as a tax potential tax savings in terms of the deduction at the 5-year class life. So one of the things I just wanted to show you here, there's a lot of great projects, and I'm not saying we're working with these guys. I'm just making note of some of the projects that I've seen going on in the area. And our investments is building a massive project in Greenville. Looks like it's about to start construction, I think, within the next year. They're a big developer out of Miami. That'll be fun to see that. In the village of West Greenville, Woven is going in. That's being developed by Woodfield out of Charlotte, another massive developer. In Charlotte, of course, if you drive around Charlotte, there's just stuff going up everywhere there. Here's another Madison Communities project, about an $80 million project. Looks absolutely phenomenal. Again, I'm just showing these examples as these would be great project potentials for green zip tape. I want to show you what that looks like in terms of numbers here. Say a building project is $50 million for the construction costs. If you do, you're going to do normal cost segregation, you're going to get, say, 18%. I don't know, it might be 20, 22, 25, depends on what the project is. But let's just say it's 18% on a $50 million multifamily project. That's $9 million in 5-year class life property. If you use green zip tape, and by the way, you'll get 15-year class life as well. I'm just not showing it because green zip tape doesn't affect the 15-year class life. But if you use green zip tape on your project and you get 10% additional depreciation at a 5-year class life that gets reclassified from 27.5 year to 39 year, that's $5 million in depreciation you're going to be able to take over the next 5 years. Well, at a 37% tax rate, that's $1.85 million. Okay, to you when you're using green zip tape. Also, the developers that are putting these together, I know that they might resell these relatively quickly. This is a benefit for you when you go to market the property because the new owner will be able to take advantage of this. They'll get additional depreciation on the 5-year class life line. Also, there's 17 LEED credits that are available, so this is a good green marketing piece, and of course, environmentally friendly, sustainable building. All of that is great for you and for your business and marketing that. So greenziptape.com is where this is at. I'm going to see if I can't try to play this so you can see the first couple of seconds of this green zip tape and see what this looks like.
Let's make this simple. What is green zip and how does it work? Green zip is a patented tape that transforms your interior walls into demountable and reusable drywall partitions. Stop. Back up. Did you catch that? Demountable and reusable drywall partitions. What a construction.
So I'm not going to go through all that, but that's the product, and it has been in use, been in business now for a number of years. A number of different companies have put this to use in their projects. We'd be happy to talk with you about yours. Just give me a call, John Murphy, CSSI. Happy to chat with you. We'd like to look at your project and let you know what the numbers look like for you. Bye-bye.